Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you!
Matatag Curriculum, Mathematics Grade 4, Quarter 1, Lesson 1, Understanding Right Angles and Acute Angles. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. For our content standards, the learners should have knowledge and understanding of measures of angles. Performance standards. By the end of the quarter, the learners are able to illustrate and measure different angles. Learning competency and objectives. By the end of the quarter, the learners are able to first, illustrate different angles, right, acute, and obtuse using models. Second, measure and draw angles using a protractor. Let's have a short review. Number 1. What geometric figure is the vertex of an angle? The answer: the vertex of an angle is a point. Number 2. What geometric figure is each side of an angle? The answer: each side of an angle is a ray. Number 3. How many sides does an angle have? The answer: an angle has 2 sides. Number 4. How do you name an angle? The answer: an angle can be named using only the vertex of 3 points on the angle, with the vertex in the middle and the other 2 points on each side. An angle can also be named by the symbol in the interior of the angle. Number 5. Draw an angle whose sides are BC and BA. And here is the answer. Let's have an activity. Directions: introduce the concept of right and acute angles and their importance in geometry. Observe the highlighted corners of edges of the following. Set A, number 1, corner of walls. Number 2, edges of book covers. Number 3, windows. For set B, number 1, slice of pizza. Number 2, side of cloth hanger. Number 3, road sign. By looking at the picture of set A and set B, here's what we can get. In set A, you'll see an L shape being formed. while in set B, the angles will appear smaller compared to those in set A. Today, we will discuss angles that form an L shape. These angles are called right angles. We will also learn about angles that are smaller than a right angle. These are called acute angles. Unlocking content vocabulary. Right angle. An angle that forms an L shape and measures 90 degrees. Acute angle. An angle that is smaller than a right angle and measures between 0 and 90 degrees. An angle that forms an L shape is called right angle. Right angles measure 90 degrees. The small square at the intersection of the two sides of the angles implies that the angles is right. Have you ever noticed the long and short hands of a clock pointing at different numbers and forming an angle? Well, those hands create angles to show us the time. So what time is shown on the clock? Correct, it is 2 o'clock. The hands of the clock at 2 o'clock form an acute angle. An acute angle is smaller than right angle. It measures between 0 and 90 degrees. So this time, let's have this. Ask pupils to form their bodies into a right angle by bending their arms at the elbow to create an L shape. And then, ask them to form their arms into an acute angle. Provide materials like straws, cardboard, or craft sticks. Have learners work in pairs or small groups to create their right and acute angles by joining two pieces together. Provide practice problems where learners identify and draw right and acute angles. Let's have our lesson activity. Learning activity sheet. The lesson title or topic is about angles. And for the activity, the title is Right and Acute Angles. The objectives: by the end of the lesson, the students are able to illustrate different angles, right, acute, and obtuse using models. Materials needed: pen and ruler. For the instructions, examine each angle. Circle the right angles and box the acute angles. Take a look at the picture and answer it on your notebook. Next activity, using a ruler, draw an object with number 1, right angle, number 2, acute angle. For learners' takeaways, Remember, right angle. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. It looks like the corner of a square or rectangle. It is often marked with a small square in the corner to show that it's 90 degrees. While an acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. It looks sharp and is smaller than a right angle. Examples include angles in triangles where all angles are less than 90 degrees.
And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.